Have you ever thought about what it's like when a plane engine explodes right after takeoff? Or wondered what a really risky landing looks like? Today, you'll finally get answers to those questions. Stick around till the end of the video to catch a very special clip I've prepared just for you. Now let's not waste any more time and get started right away. Check out the landing of a Boeing 767 that almost went wrong. The plane comes dangerously close to hitting a steep embankment just before the runway threshold. Can you believe the Boeing actually made it? I never thought it could work. Share your thoughts in the comments. In the next clip, you'll witness a Boeing 747 taking a hard hit while landing in crosswind conditions. You know what also would hit hard? If you hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. Here you can see a Boeing experiencing an engine failure after takeoff, resulting in a series of loud bangs. Dang, I hope the plane is all right and nobody got hurt. Now let's move on to the grand finale. Here you can watch an Airbus A380 pilot executing a steep turn at an unbelievable bank angle.
This is beautiful scene. Wow.
Aircraft has a range of up to 8,500 nautical miles, with a typical load of 525 pounds.
Such a small turn.
So far, the aviation program has won firm orders for 203 aircraft from 19 airlines, and every day there are around 100 commercial aviation flights. And it takes a fleet to carry 1 million passengers each month. And what is scheduled flight, and our helicopters are recruited, so quiet.
Yeah, ये turn कितने प्यारे. Yeah. Like such a small turn, can you see? Beautiful.
अच्छी चीजें बना रही है तुम्हारी कंपनी.
What's your opinion on this incredible maneuver? Now that's it for today. Let me know your favorite moment in the comments and stay tuned for the next episode.